health, food, and life. The channel that teaches you to have a healthy life. Today we are going to learn about the avocados. Do you know the benefits of avocado? Did you know that avocados are nutritionally rich? Avocados have been commended as an example of a nutrient-dense food, with 1/2 of the fruit counting towards your 5 a day. Avocados are an excellent source of monounsaturated fat and vitamin E, and are a good source of folate. They also supply more soluble fiber than other fruit and contain a number of useful minerals including iron, copper, and potassium. May support heart health. Avocados are high in fat, with 60% of this being monounsaturated fats, which research suggests helps to protect against heart disease and lower blood pressure. They are also an excellent source of potassium, folate, and fiber, all of which benefit the heart and cardiovascular system. May help to lower cholesterol. The oils supplied by avocado include oleic acid and linoleic acid. These unsaturated fats are recommended as part of a balanced diet to help manage cholesterol. May help to regulate appetite. There is no doubt that the calorie content of avocados is greater than other fruits and vegetables. However, an interesting study has shown that the fat and fiber content of avocados leads to feelings of satiety, which helps regulate appetite. May help keep eyes healthy. Alongside the benefits outlined above, avocado are a rich source of protective vitamin E as well as carotenes including lutein and zeaxanthin, which are thought to help keep the eyes healthy. Is avocado safe for everyone? Some sensitive individuals may experience allergy to avocado. This includes an oral allergy, which may be triggered by a cross-reaction to birch pollen. A rare allergic response may occur if you have a latex allergy. If this is relevant to you, refer to their GP for guidance. Avocado, along with fruits including apples, peaches, raspberries, and blueberries, contain natural chemicals called salicylates. Some people are sensitive to these compounds and may experience an allergic reaction including skin rash and swelling.